Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled beets for canning. First, select fresh, firm beets, ideally 1 to 2 inches in diameter, for optimal texture and flavor. Next, gather all your canning equipment, including jars, lids, rings, and a water bath canner. Ensure everything is clean and sterilized. Preparing your workspace efficiently will make the entire process much smoother and safer. Now let's prepare the beets. Wash them thoroughly, then trim the tops, leaving about 1 inch of stem, and do not trim the root. Boil the beets in water until they are tender, which usually takes 25 to 40 minutes depending on their size. Once cooked, cool them under cold water. This makes peeling the skins off incredibly easy. Finally, slice them into quarters or half-inch rounds. Next, we'll create the delicious pickling brine. In a large pot, combine 4 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water. Then, add 2 teaspoons of canning salt and 1 cup of granulated sugar. You can also include spices like whole cloves or cinnamon sticks for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring all the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. This brine is key to preserving your beets. Finally, it's time to can your pickled beets. Carefully pack the hot beet slices into sterilized canning jars, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot pickling brine over the beets, ensuring they are fully submerged. Remove any air bubbles. Wipe jar rims, apply lids and rings, then process in a boiling water canner for 30 minutes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Allow jars to cool and seal completely before storing in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.